Dear students, today we are here on exercise 4.6 of the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. You must be remembering in our last class, we have discussed all related to the concept of circles. We have studied what is center, we have studied chord, diameter, and also studied about arc, minor arc, major arc, segment, major segment, minor segment, and sector, minor sector, major sector. These are the parts which we have already covered in our last class. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.6 of NCERT. Fine. So students, please keep on writing directly on your fair copy if you want. If you are little slow, just take a screenshot of the topic what I am teaching right now. Students, our first question is in our NCERT, you have to see the figure which is already drawn and you have to name everything what is there in the figure. So सबसे पहले I am going to draw the figure which is also drawn in the book. Please you also draw beta. There is a figure drawn related to circle on your NCERT book. The figure is of circle. One center is drawn, that is given here O. यहाँ पर A बना हुआ है. This is B here. This is another one. Here the name is C. Here one point is P. Here one point is Q. Here we have ED, ED, and this is shaded. And this is also shaded beta. Fine. Now let's begin this question. What is asked one by one? सबसे पहले in this question it is asked, you have to tell the center of the circle. So students, please be alert on your chat box. So can you please tell me what do you find here? What is the center in this question? Can you please tell me in this figure what center do you find? Is it O or is it P? Tell me faster now. We have already studied this concept very properly. Very correct. What is the center in this circle? Correct answer. The center in this question is center O. Correct. Okay, it is O as a center. Now move on to question number B. Question number B says that you have to tell 3 radius here. You have to speak about 3 radius. Can you please tell me? I have already told you when you talk about 1 radius, it is called radius. When you have more radius, more than 1, you call it radii. R-A-D-I-I. It's a plural of radius. Okay? So we have to find out 3 radius. Your answer, please write it down in the chat box. This is OA. This is OB. And the third one is OC. You all are right. The correct answer will be OA, OB, and OC. Now, question number C from here. Question number C says that you have to write it down a diameter in this question. Can you please tell me, beta? Can you please help me out in searching what is the diameter in this question? What do you find? Which line is passing through the center? Which is the chord passing through the center? Absolutely right. It is AC. AC is a line segment. Look at here, which is joining 2 points on the circumference, and also this is passing through the center. Okay, so this is the longest chord of this circle. You can call it diameter. Now question number D. Question number D says that you have to tell about a chord. Can you please tell me what do you find as a chord here? Except AC. Except AC, which chord you can find here? Yes, very true. It's DE, or you can also write it down ED. Both the answers are right, okay? You can simply write it down DE, or you can also write it down ED. Both the answers can be right here. Now let's move on to the E1. E1 is telling here you have to find out 2 points in its interior. Now you have to tell the interior points. Can you please tell me, beta, what do you find in its interior? 2 points you have to speak. Yes, very right. The first point is point O, because this is the center. I have told you center is always in interior of a circle. And also we have another point, that is P, which is inside the circle. Correct answer. Now move on to the next question. You have to speak a sector, a point in its exterior. Now you have to speak about exterior point. Can you all help me? Which is the point you find exterior, beta? Yes, very right. The correct answer is Q point. The point Q is on exterior position of the circle. So this is also done. Now let's move on to the last two questions, a sector and a segment. So I am writing this question over here, sector. Now you can see, I have already told you yesterday, sector का मतलब होता है बेटा when you have a region or an area covered by its radius. Now you can see this. This is the part of sector. Look at here. This is the part of a sector. And this is minor sector or a major sector. Can you all tell me please? This is a minor sector or a major sector. Can you please tell me? How much portion it is covering? It is covering less than half or more than half? Yes, correct answer. This is a minor sector, my dear. And what will be the name? The name will be AOB. So here we have sector AOB. Question number G, the answer will be sector AOB. Yes, correct answer. Now let's move on to the last question, that is segment. Segment का मतलब होता है बेटा ऐसा part जो सर्कल की कॉर्ड के थ्रू कवर्ड किया जाता है. You can see this one. I have given the example yesterday related to a cake. है ना? How can you cut a cake? This is sector. How you cut a cake, and this can be also a form. How can you cut your cake? So this is DE. So what will you write it down? Segment DE. Now this is completed. Question number 1 is completed, beta. So students, we have completed till question number 1. Question number 2 says that first one is asking you have to reply the answer yes or no. Is every diameter of a circle is also a chord? Yes, I have told this answer to you many times that every diameter is also called a chord because it also connects both the points on circumference. ठीक है? But suppose अगर क्वेश्चन को रिवर्स कर दिया जाए बेटा that every chord of a circle is also a diameter, absolutely not, because for diameter it is necessary to connect from circle center and chord के लिए बेटा ये compulsory topic नहीं है. Fine, so that means answer will be no. Now question number 3 says that you have to draw a circle and mark. Now let us draw a circle and we have to mark certain things on this circle. So students, please keep in your mind, do not follow my names only. जो मैंने लिखा है वही आपको कॉपी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can simply write it down what you want. ठीक है, आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग भी लिख सकते हो, नेम चेंज कर सकते हैं आप. ठीक है, so the names can be according to you. Which alphabet you like most, you can write it down accordingly. Now the first thing it is telling, you have to draw its center. So सबसे पहले बेटा you are knowing without center your circle will not be drawn, and on your compass when you will draw the circle you will have a center on it. So I am writing here this is the center and I am giving the name O because I like alphabet O as a center. My second question is you have to draw a radius. आपको एक ही radius बनानी है, ठीक है? One radius. So I can be drawing it any of the radius. Suppose I am drawing it like this. I am giving the name as A. So my radius is OA. OA radius. Now third question is, you have to draw a diameter. So I am going to draw a diameter. Let's see, this is my diameter. I'm giving the name as PQ. So PQ is the diameter on my question. These things are very easy. You must be knowing. We have already understood this in previous class also and just now also. So we can simply draw according to ourselves. मैंने जैसा ड्रॉ किया जरूरी नहीं है आप भी सेम वैसा ड्रॉ करो. You can take anywhere this diameter on this entire circle. Only the important thing is that you have to, your diameter should pass through the center, beta. Now move on to question number D from it. D is telling you have to draw a sector. So a sector. Now I have already sector this one. I have this sector. I am going to only shade this out. Okay. And I'm going to write it down the name as AOP. Sector AOP. Now remember, आप इसको भी shade कर सकते हो बेटा. It's totally up to you what you want to shade it. Now move on to question number E. E is telling here is you have to draw a segment. For segment, you are knowing you should have a chord first. So I am drawing a chord. I am giving the name as MN. And now I am drawing this one as segment. So this is my segment. Name will be MN. Finished. Okay. Now let's move on to question number F. F is telling here is you have to draw a point in its interior. You have to take one point in its interior. So you can take any point. I am taking the point as X. So point X in its interior. Finished. Now move on to G. G is telling you have to take a point in its exterior. So I am taking Y point in its exterior. You can also draw anywhere else if you want it. I have drawn it in this place, but if you want to change the place on exterior part, you can take it anywhere this point. Now the last but not the least, it is telling you have to draw an arc. So arc के लिए बेटा हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. I am just shading this part. ठीक है, this one only. And name is PM or MP. So arc MP. Okay, this was the question which was there to draw. By using a circle, we have to represent everything on a same circle. A circle, a center, a radius, a diameter, a sector, a segment, a point in its interior, and point in its exterior, and arc. We have taken everything now. Now last question, question number 4. It is telling you have to reply the answer in true or false. The first question is telling that in a circle, two diameter of a circle will necessarily intersect. Absolutely correct, Pita. Why I am showing you? This is the circle center, suppose. Okay? And it is telling two diameter of the circle. Suppose I have drawn this diameter. Now I have to draw another diameter. Beta, if you are drawing another diameter, let's say you take it here, or maybe you take it here, or you take it here. Anywhere you take it, yes, of course, it will intersect. जरूर intersect करेगा बेटा. और कहाँ पर intersect करेगा? They will intersect at center. Always remember, they all will intersect at center only. Fine. Now let's move on to the last question of B1. The center of a circle is always in its interior. Yes, this is also true, beta. Why? Because अगर circle का center अगर interior नहीं होगा तो आप circle draw कैसे करोगे? So this is also, the answer will be true. Now this exercise is completely done by us.